Right, that's it. Play nice. You're going to draw me a picture? But what are you drawing? Tell me.
We're drawing lightning.
You're drawing lightning?
Yeah.
What, Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
What?
Needs lots of colours every day.
Every day needs lots of colours. Ah. Where's his wheels? Have you not drawn them yet?
I'm drawing them right now.
Oh, okay.
I think he wants 5 wheels.
5?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he's going to be super fast.
Yes.
Where is his eyes? Oh, let me see his wheels. Oh, are they purple wheels?
Yeah.
What colour is Lightning?
He's not done yet.
Okay, but what colour is he?
We have to make lightning. And peanuts. Clean.
Use the cloth to clean it.
Cloth.
Yeah, use the cloth and you clean it off and then you start again.